Hello everyone. So just inside Dollar Tree, and I thought I'd check out the craft aisle looking for some inspiration for the new year here. And I am spotting some new things, so I'll share them as we walk along. But here's something that is kind of a newer font. Is anyone redoing their kids' rooms for the new year? Is that something that's in the works? They have some cute decals that are removable after if you kind of get tired of them. Lots of stickers. I think these enamel type stickers are newer. They have a lot of Crayola here. Markers, crayons. I always get so excited when I see stylus pens because I'm hoping, oh, maybe there'll be a really fine point one. Can Dollar Tree start carrying some fine point stylus pens? That would be so helpful. These work on the Cricut machine, by the way. If you have the Explorer, definitely works in it. Checking out some of the notebooks here and some more pens. Here's a new stylus pen again, but it's just a dual. It's a pen in the rubber round tip. This chunky pen is new. Check out these. They're mechanical pencils, but they have glitter in the barrel. So cute. Or along the barrel. Has anyone tried this ruler, and how does the magnifying portion actually work? Can't remember the brand of notebooks that I found. There were journals and notebooks. I think it was Southworks. Yeah, I think, or Southworth. These are beautiful. I love that they have the little gems on the barrel. So pretty. I have one without the diamond on the top, and I actually really like it, but I haven't seen them in a long time. If you're making your own command center, these are dry erase. That would be helpful. I wonder if I should do a new command center. I made one years ago, and now I'm wondering if I should do something. They even have these peg systems, right? So can incorporate that. These look kind of newer to me. See if there's any new stationery. I did pick up the invisible sticky notes. I haven't tried them yet. I always like to see if there's any good quality scissors. So for Christmas, they had these new mailers with really pretty plaid, and you can use them all year round, but I haven't found them at any other Dollar Tree except that one. And I kept thinking, oh, maybe it will arrive late, even after Christmas, but nothing here. A few weeks ago, I found the Hershey's and the Reese's and Kisses, and my Bear Bear, its little dog, loves the Kisses toy. I got excited. I thought that this was the gel super glue. I don't know why. I guess maybe I keep hoping I'll find it. Has anyone spotted the gel super glue? I haven't seen it in forever. By the way, these kits here have just a few pieces, and then these ones here, look at this. It's a huge kit. I wonder if it's not as sticky. What could be the difference? Do you find that Dollar Tree lately has had a really good selection of cleaning products, brand name stuff like you'll see here, Scrubbing Bubbles, Vim, Comet, Palmolive dish detergent. Has anyone tried these Wizard SOS replacement? They also have the SOS ones. Also, you'll find Ajax, Old Dutch, a whole bunch, and even Cascade. I actually think I should look into this because I have a Velcro system mop just to clean up the fur. When my kids were little, Baby Einstein was so popular. It's like a brand, and they had lots of toys and everything. And here they are, Dollar Tree books. I keep eyeing these, and they remind me that I want to make some with my Cricut machine, because I have some glitter adhesive actually that I purchased here at Dollar Tree. It comes in sheets. I don't see any here right now. By the way, if you're looking for like a little staging or fabric needed for Valentine's, this pink would be really pretty. I was actually hoping to find a little bit more of a salmon pink, but this one might actually do too. In a neutral kind of color. I don't know. Maybe I will grab these two and see what I come up with. This is the Indeed product line, which you will find at Ulta, stores like that carry makeup, over-the-counter kind of stuff, maybe like a Shoppers or even online. And I'm really surprised that they have all of these here at Dollar Tree. A couple little cute gift stuff is appearing, obviously, for Valentine's Day. Lots of stuff actually is starting to make its way to the shelves. These are kind of newer, the day in, day out, which is nice. Quick overlook, some of the facial scrubbers, dry brushes. They have the cotton pads, the disposable ones. They seem to have some new eye masks, sleep masks. Hair towels. Some of you have said good things. The little toiletries, if you're traveling, this is a good time of year to find some really good brand stuff. So this is a cocoa butter. There's Degree. I do find their stuff's a little bit on the pricier end. Like this is a tiny Gillette, but I mean, you can't carry a big one on a carry-on, so it might not be that bad. And little baby items, I always like to look at them now. This is actually Pantene. It goes in the hair products. Do you have any feedback on this Minted Citrus? Does it have a nice throw? They have different scents, but I'm just wondering about that one. I'm going to put this Pantene back so they have a whole bunch of stuff here. This is such a cute headband, and I'm wondering if I can kind of pull it apart and use it, because it's basically already done as a shaker. This one looks a little fuller with more spring sparkles or glitter. I'm not sure what you want to. Filler shaker. I always like looking at different things for crafting purposes. These are actually cute for your hair. I like the style. It has a bigger and smaller clip. Pretty as well. See, something like this can also be used in paper crafting. You could remove it off the clip. You can use it on the clip. Lots of headbands to choose from. There's like this flannel print. They have glittery ones, thin fabric-y type ones. These bags would be so fun as a gift bag. I just wish it didn't have the black trim. Like if it was white or even clear, that would be better. I was hoping that these were on markdown or clearance, especially the little marshmallows, but they're not. See these? I was hoping to find some of these on clearance. So this footage is from another Dollar Tree that I was at that had all the Valentine's Day things starting to appear. So just thought in case you're out and about or you're looking for something, I wanted to share these little previews here with you so that you know what's out there. There's the little kissing booth, the conversation hearts, they have the trolls. I'm sorry, gnomes. They have the large gnomes and the small mini size gnomes. Lots of decor, like little signs like this that you can, of course, change the words if you don't, like the sentiment, you can change them, you paint them, and then redo your own sentiment, right? But yeah, I just thought I would leave a couple little clips here from a previous Dollar Tree walkthrough. They also have little pics you can put in a floral arrangement. They have hearts you can, of course, do your own DIYing with. They have lots of stickers, boxes, gift bags, clings, window clings. Anyways, I hope that this video helps you and that you'll follow me along to keep up to date on local finds at your favorite stores, especially Dollar Tree. And thank you again so much for watching, and until next time, everyone, bye for now.
I said, tell me your story. He took out a notepad and wrote something for me. Then he kept walking on down the road, and I watched him disappear like smoke. And I thought I'd just seen a ghost. Then I looked down at what he wrote. It said, son, when you grow up you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers and you'll find what you've got.